How to add a sticker to your iPhone photo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a sticker to your iPhone photo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Photos app. Then open up a photo where you want to add the stickers in. After that, you will need to head over to your editing section. It's this one right here, tap on it. And after you tap on it, you'll need to head over to the markup section. So this is the markup option right here. Tap on the pen icon there, and this page should open up. There on the bottom right, you'll find a plus icon. Tap on the plus icon and you'll get the option to add sticker. Tap on it, tap on add sticker, and you'll get the options of sticker available in your device. So select the sticker that you want to add. Let me go back there. And after you select the sticker, it will just come up right here. Now just place it wherever you want. Just be careful, your markup is still on, so it might just keep on writing there. So let's add some more. You can change the size of it and place it however you want. Then you can tap on done on the top right, and again tap on top right, done, and your stickers should be added to the photo. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.